This is exactly how you deal with a fighter who's desperate for a knockout. Now, for some context, the fighter on the front foot was way behind on the scorecards and was putting it on the champion Shalam in the final round. So Qtong was headhunting, and Shalam's response was elite. He wasn't just covering up or running away, he was picking gaps in the wild offense of Qtong, even cutting him with a nasty elbow mid-combination. This ability to time and play shots in even the most chaotic scenarios is what separates the good fighters from the great fighters.